What's up, guys? So I just kind of want to do a video to kind of help you guys out on figuring out if a knife is real or not, and particularly with BRS. But before I get started, I wanted to say thank you to Stitches and Kisses for sending me this knife. But can you guys tell which one of these is fake? Yeah, probably not. So to get started, this is the fake. This is a real Alpha Beast, this is a real Alpha Beast. But with the fake replicant, it's kind of hard to tell that it's fake. They did such a good job on it that it's almost like if you don't know what to look for, and there's not many things to look for, there's only a couple of things that kind of give it away. One of the things that to look out for, and don't hate on my video for this, I'm trying to help people, so don't go and flag it, and I'm trying to help people so that they can know what to look for in a fake, so that people don't get ripped off. But one of the dead giveaways for at least any of the new replicants is the screws on the fake are T8. The ones on the current ones are just like the Alpha Beast where it's T10. And even though my camera won't focus, there we go. You can see they're a whole lot smaller and they just don't look right. And then on the reverse side, these have almost like a tip to them, like they're almost pointed. You can almost see it, the light reflecting off of it. The replicant has these same sort of screws like on the other side. And another thing that's not such a dead giveaway about it, I'm gonna put this one away, but is the logo. Look at the logo on these. Pretty much the logo is the same on the replicant as it is on the Alpha Beast. They might vary a little bit, but if the spine is crowned, it's going to be smaller, like on this Alpha Beast. But on the clone, it's a whole lot bigger. And like when I look at it in a certain light, you can't see it. See, like there, it's almost hard to see. Where with the real Alpha Beast logo, you can see it. It's a different process that they used for putting the logo on there. I don't know how if they etched this one and laser engraved this one or whatever, but it's different. Another thing with the real replicant, these little chevrons are a little more squared off. They're not so rounded. And then same thing with the other screws here. On the real replicant, these are T9. On the fake, they're a whole lot smaller. I think these are T6. So look at the size of them screws. And these are the normal size on the replicant. They're a whole lot smaller. But like I said before, they did a really good job making it look legit. If I didn't know any better, I would almost say that this is the real deal. But one of the most, I don't even know, another dead giveaway, if you're really concerned about it, tell them to show you the play. That is not normal for a real replicant. If a replicant has that much play, I would say it's a dead giveaway that it's a fake. Because no replicant that I've ever seen has that much play. Unless there's something wrong. Which in that case they should tell you there's something wrong. But even anything that would be or could be wrong with a replicant, I don't think they would make it to where there's that much play. It's so bad that this has blade rub. Just from me flipping it for a couple days. And you can hear that. Whereas Nothing. Alright, and then another thing is the latch. I don't have the latch on because I don't even remotely like latches. But with the fake latch, it has this little extra bit right here. Like you see that? This part, that shouldn't be there. On a real replicant, it's not like that. And on a real replicant, it's rounded on the bottom. Here, it's like almost squared off. Like it's almost like an angle. Like, whereas a real latch, even though this is Alpha Beast latch, the replicant latch is the same thing, just it's a tube, whereas this is just a chunk of titanium. But see how there's no flat spot on this latch, whereas there is on this one. See what I mean? This little spot here shouldn't be there. But like I said, I hope this helped you guys out. If you have any questions or you're worried about a knife being a fake or a replicant being a fake, just let me know. Comment in the comments. I don't mind helping. So also, the blade steel is pretty bad. It doesn't hold an edge very well. Like I said, the play is really horrible. Like, and this is as tight as I can get it with it still swinging freely. So, like I said, just look out for small screws, because that's a pretty big giveaway. Small screws here. These are more rounded, so the real one's like squared off like that. These are a little more sharp. But, like, and then here that's pointed. Like I said, they did a really good job faking it. Alright, hope this helped. Say, comment in the comments, and if you need any help, let me know. Have a good day. Bye.